In this video, I'm going to show you an option that you can use with the 1025 printer barcode scanner, and that is called Scan Command Print. If you don't want to use the OCR font, which is what happens when you just scan a barcode and then convert it, this is the OCR font, you do have the option to save messages in the printer up to 255 at a time, and then put that information, that communication pathway onto the SD card that comes with this printer. The SD card is located over here. You actually input a command through your computer into that SD card, and then you can actually scan a barcode, and anytime it recognizes that specific barcode, it will jump to a pre-formatted print within the printer, and that way you can actually print logos, barcodes, other graphics, as well as text in any font style that you so choose. So I'm going to do that with the barcodes that you provided to me. I printed them, and I already input that information into this printer. You can see I have all of these barcodes here, but I could hold up to 255, and then I can do larger text because I can actually use the condensed font. So I'm going to use this one, and you'll see when I scan it, right now it's on this numerical sequence ending in 14, and this one is panel 02. When I scan it, you'll see that it jumps directly to the pre-programmed number that I already have. So you can see it jumped, it recognized this, and it jumped, and it didn't necessarily have to say what it says here, but I can program it to say whatever I want when it reads this barcode. All right, so then we scanned it, and it's larger than this. If you have hundreds of different barcodes, it might not make sense, but if you have a list of specific barcodes that you use over and over, then this could be a really great option. So I'll just do a couple more, show you here. You can see it scanned that information, jumped and printed. Again, this now jumped to imprint 6 because that's where I pre-programmed that information. You do have to hold the printer a little bit high up. That's why I'm going out of view in order to read the entire barcode. Depending on how long the barcode is, will depend on how much above the barcode you need to go. All right, so this is the Scan Command Print option, and that's another great option for using the 1025 cents.